Mainit na balita.
Eto ba't umatras ka? Tinatanong kita. Do you confirm? Kasi yung data mo is 2020 August, tama? Eto, Colonel, marami pa kaming tatanong sa iyo. If, in the next topic, pag nagsinungaling ka, baka mapakontem ka.
I'm very willing, Your Honor.
Oh, you're very willing. Okay. Now, ikaw, Bilila, pati si General Belialde, sabihin mo na siya.
Retired na po ako, 2019.
Ikaw, sinungaling ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, bakit sinasabi mong half? Half of your salary.
I will submit the...
And then you're lying. Huwag kang magsinungaling, Colonel. Akala mo dito yung mga tao dito, yung committee bobo?
Akala mo dito yung mga tao dito, yung committee bobo?
Chairman, follow up lang ako dun sa mga years. Confidential short lang. Colonel, will the chair allow me? With the indulgence of Chairman Dan.
Congressman Fernandez.
Ganito po, kailan ka ba na-assign dun sa US?
2020 po, Your Honor.
2020 month. Anong buwan? Anong buwan?
August po, Your Honor.
August, so half of 2020. Now, when was the Noy Pitch was established? Las Vegas.
2021, Your Honor.
2021. Of what month?
Nag-start po, Your Honor, December.
December 2021. In short, from 2020 to 2021, yun yung na-accumulate mo in the 3 years of your salary and your allowances. Eto ba't umatras ka? Tinatanong kita. Do you confirm? Kasi yung data mo is 2020 August, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, you were signed. Now, yung Noy Page was established December of 2021. So, ilang buwan lang yun.
Yes,
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, bakit sinasabi mong half? Half of your salary.
I will submit the...
And then you're lying. Huwag kang magsinungaling, Colonel. Akala mo dito yung mga tao dito, yung committee bobo, na hindi pwedeng isa-isahin? You have said on record, when you asked by Chairman Barbers, that half of the $200,000 came from your salary. And your salary, 2020 August, you started there being assigned, and 2021, hindi ko pa sinasabi yung expense mo. Yung expenses mo. Paano magiging half of that? How can you earn 100,000 a month for just 1 year or less? You're lying.
Mahigit po, Your Honor.
Ano mahigit? Sige nga, kwintahin mo nga. Alam mo, yung 3 years mo, kung tama yung sinasabi mo, that's only 288,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
But you started August 2020 and December 2021, saka kayo bumukas. Yung expense mo, lahat-lahat. Who are those, Ito, Colonel, marami pa kaming tatanong sa iyo. If, in the next topic, pag nagsinungaling ka, baka mapakontem ka.
I'm very willing, Your Honor.
Oh, you're very willing. Okay. Now, sino yung mga incorporators? Sino mga?
Ray Perez po, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Ray Perez and...
Sino nga?
Lauro
Sino
Calonzo. Ray Perez and Lauro Calonzo po, Your Honor. Filipino-Americans, Your Honor.
Saan address?
Doon po sila base, Your Honor.
Saan nga doon?
Sa California po, Your Honor.
California. Saan sa California?
In
where?
Los Angeles, Your Honor.
Saan nga?
Los Angeles po, Your Honor.
Los Angeles. Now, how did you know these people?
They were my brothers, paternity brothers, Your Honor.
Fraternity brothers.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong trabaho ng dalawa? Doon.
Restaurateur po si Mr. Calonzo, Larry Calonzo, Your Honor.
Yung Noy Pitch, di ba?
Matagal na po yan, Your Honor. 2013 yan nag-umsa.
2013. Pumasok ka lang 2020.
Opo.
2021, December.
Opo, nung mag-open ho sa
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, opo.
Please. Eto Mr. Chairman, I move for Colonel Villela to submit his SALN in the year 2019 up to 2022, Mr. Chairman. When was the last year you were assigned in the U.S.?
Last year, Your Honor.
When was that?
2023,
2023,
September po ako na uwi, Your Honor, dito.
2023 September.
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, you submit in this committee your SALN from 2019 to 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, point of inquiry.
What is the inquiry?
Regarding dun sa $8,000 na natatanggap ni Colonel Villena, is this taxable in the U.S.? How is the money received?
Yeah, I believe so, Your Honor. That is a taxable. That is the gross amount of the salary. That
Yung
is
ba
given.
yung buong amount o yun yung take home mo, Colonel?
Buong amount yun, Your Honor, dito po inaano yon, binibigay sa amin. Pinapadala po doon, plus yung sahod ko po as a colonel, Your Honor.
So
Hindi pa
taxable
kasama.
yung $8,000?
Dito po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Hindi. So dito kasabay ng sweldo mo, pinadadala buo. Ganun.
Yes, Your Honor. Nandito po sa land bank po. Dito po pinapapasa.
Thank you very much. I just wanted to get clarified to that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman.
Mr. Chair.
Please proceed. And
Okay,
you have,
matatapos na ako. Okay.
Please wrap it up.
Colonel Villela, were you a former finance officer ng PNP as controller ng PD sa Iloilo?
No, Your Honor. I'm the provincial director of Iloilo, Your Honor.
Hindi ka naging finance officer?
Never I was assigned in finance, Your Honor.
You were assigned?
No.
Never. Okay. Mahilig ka rin sa mga Rolex. May Rolex ka.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ilan ang Rolex mo?
Isa lang po, regalo po sa akin, Your Honor.
Isa lang. Sino nagregalo sa'yo?
My wife po, Your Honor.
Yung wife mo ngayon. Okay. Kailan natin nabili to? Nung panahon na tayo nasa police attaché?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So, basically, nabawas yung... anyway. Meron ba kayong property sa Samal?
Ako po, Your Honor, may lote po ako doon.
Meron ka sa Samal?
Dati po akong chief of police doon.
Sige. Gaano kalaki yung property mo doon?
500 square meters.
500 square meter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan mo siya binili?
...2014 ata, Your Honor. I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Okay. GM Garma, meron ka bang property sa Samal?
Meron po, Mr.
Meron ka
Chair.
din. Magkalapit kayo, correct?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Ilang square meter ang lupa mo sa Samal?
Parang 700, Mr. Chair.
700. Lot, Griar. May lupa ka sa Samal?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Sure ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Sige. Commissioner Leonardo, meron kang lupa sa Samal?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw naging USEC ng DNR, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And that property in Samal was a protected area. Am I correct? Protected area yun, hindi mo alam? Sa Samal?
I think there are some areas
Correct.
that are protected.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
And that's the reason why these people were able to get property there because of you being the USEC of the DNR before.
That's not true.
Of course, you
Your
will not
Mr.
deny. You will deny it. I know. I know naman yan. Anyway. Hindi. Hindi. Are you adhering to my query that this is a protected area and that's the reason why during the time of your incumbency as a USEC of the DNR, you were able to scatter those properties to your friends. Am I correct?
That's not true, Mr. Chair.
I know that he denied it.
And
of course.
I'm not even sure if that is a protected area, Mr. Chair.
For your information, that is a protected area. Part of it is a protected area. And it was converted. That's why they were able to have a property from that place. Dati akong committee chairman ng ecology, and I know that. Anyway, so Mr. Chairman, for the meantime, lastly, Mr. Chairman, sa PCSO, ito na. PCSO, who is handling those money that are being given by the PCSO to certain foundations, like the STL Foundation. Sino? Anong department ninyo sa PCSO? Ma'am, please.
I believe it's the Accounting and Budget Department.
The
The Accounting and Budget Department.
accounting. Who is the accounting budget officer? Ano
She's
name?
here.
Sige, ma'am, please. Yes, please answer.
Yeah, good morning po.
About doon po sa pera ng PCSO na dinala sa foundation ng STL that was given to Mandawi through the STL party list.
For our records po, meron po kaming binigay sa Mandawi City the amount of 2 million para po doon sa typhoon victim ng Odette.
Yeah, at ang nagdala ay si STL party list Ibon Barondog.
Wala po akong alam kung sino
Hindi
po
nga,
ang
can you
nagdala.
kindly tell us, can you kindly submit to us all the money that was transferred from PCSO to the STL Foundation? Can you do that?
Titingnan ko po sa record namin.
Tingnan nyo sa record,
Yes,
no?
and I will submit po. kung
Okay,
meron
submit to
kami.
us a certified copy of that transfer of money, to the STL Foundation.
Yes po.
Okay?
Your Honor.
So, we'll be expecting that, And, for now, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po muna. At I'll be asking questions in
Mr. Chair?
Okay, thank you,
No,
Congressman
thank
Fernandez.
you so much, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congressman Akop.
With the indulgence of Congressman
Okay, Congressman
at
Paduano.
Chairman Akop. Colonel Villela, gusto ko lang balikan po. Ito last na lang to, Colonel kasi pag nagsinungaling ka, lalabas talaga sinungaling ka. Ito so magkano talaga? 8,000 ba galing dito? Yung salary mo?
Mahigit pa ho, Your Honor, kasi yung sahod ko pa ho as Colonel dito, Your Honor.
Hindi, yung payslip mo, meron ka?
Meron naman po kami lahat.
So what is your gross? Gross? 8,000? US?
Yan po yung aming allowance as police.
Hindi nga, ang total mo ang kinikita. Ikaw, you're evading. Hindi ko pa nilalabas yung isang tao. O magkano talaga?
Yung 28,000, salary grade 28 po ng Colonel, Your Honor, plus yung aming allowance.
Magkano nga?
8,000 nga po, Your Honor.
Total.
Sahod.
So less. May withholding, di ba? Magkano withholding mo? Kami dito sa Congress, we're just 32% nga kami. Mas maliit pang sahod namin sa kinikita mo. Magkano?
Hindi ko po memorize yung sa sahod ko
Nako,
po as Colonel.
magkano ang pinapadala sa iyo? Na net. At sino ang nagpapadala sa iyo?
The Budget and Fiscal Office po ng...
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
O magkano? Magkano nga
Sinasama po padalas doon.
Kaya nga,
Kasama po
magkano, Colonel? Pinatawag magkano?
14,000 po yung MOE ng office plus yung sahod po namin, Your Honor.
14?
40 po yung operating expenses.
Hindi yung sa'yo.
8,000 po, Your Honor.
Magkano?
8,000
$8,000.
dollars po.
O less yung 32% withholding.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit? So magkano talaga?
Yun nga po, Your Honor.
O ba't wala kang withholding?
Ang withholding po, Your Honor, po sa sahod ko as Colonel, Your Honor. Yun po kasing allowance namin doon. Ito po yung aming...
Sandali. Sino yung next higher officer mo that time?
Directorate for... the Directorate for Intelligence, Your Honor.
Who is that director?
Marami po, Your Honor.
Marami.
Pag-alis ko po...
Before you leave and on your first assignment, sino? But you're talking to Grijaldo. Alam niya ba? Mas alam niya?
Hindi ko na...
Eto Colonel last na to, papakontempt kita.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino? Are you willing to be cited in contempt? Willingly?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor, yung DI na pag-alis ko, Your Honor.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun di mo matandaan? Yung unang principal mo, nung na-assign ka, that was August 2020, as your statement. Hindi mo alam. Or you just evading because papatawag
No, Your
namin siya.
No, Your Honor. Hindi ko lang talaga ma-recall,
O yung
Honor.
yung last, before you're assigned here in the Philippines. Hindi mo rin alam? That was 2023, September? Hindi mo alam?
Si General Morico po, Your Honor. Major General Morico, Your Honor.
Is he active until now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong assignment niya?
Ngayon po, Your Honor.
Siyempre, tinatanong ko yung assignment niya ngayon.
Director po ng Research and Development. Your
O, papatawag natin siya. Kaya mo, Mr. Chairman, papatawag yung director for what?
Research, Your Honor.
O, research. Major General Moreno. At the same time, makalimutin pala to si si Colonel Villela. Hindi niya matandaan yung principal niya nung time ng first assignment niya as a trustee. O, do you recall? Hindi mo ma-recall? Sinong PNP chief that time?
Si General Albayalde, Your Honor.
O, General Albayalde. Nakita ko kanina. Gen Albayalde. General Albayalde. Sino yung official niya that time?
Mr. Chairman, if he's telling when he was assigned as liaison officer of sa San Francisco po kasi dati yan naging linipat lang sa LA. Retired na po ako noon. I retired 2019, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, ikaw, Villela, pati si General Albayalde, sabihin mo na siya.
Retired na po ako 2019,
Ikaw,
Mr.
sinungaling ka.
Hindi ko na, kasi siya ang nakapirma po, Your Honor, sa appointment ko.
Dali, ba't siya nakapirma? Retired na nga siya eh. That was August of
Process kasi
2020. Sandali, please wait to be recognized by the chairman. Oh, your assignment was August 2020. How come General Albayalde will see your document, 2019, retired na? You're lying again.
Elaborate, Mr. Chairman. Opo, yung signature kasi, it will be signed and then it will undergo process kasi kiniklear pa po sa embassy yan. Matagal po yung process niyan, Mr. Chairman. So, naiwanan ko na po yun. Nung pagkapirma po yan, it's not after you sign it, assigned na po yun. Magkiklear pa po yan, they have to give their credentials and all.
Okay, we'll take in, sir, Albayalde will take in. Now, question, balik ko lang, sino? Di mo rin matandaan. Nakatanggap ka ba ng order that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
O, hindi mo tinignan kung sinong pumirma? Sinong boss mo?
Ang na-assign po kasi ako ng Iloilo. After that, na-issuean po ako ng order January dahil pandemic po noon. Hindi na po kami nakaalis kaagad, Your Honor.
Ang natanong ko nga, you stayed there for 3 years, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
O, hindi mo alam?
Marami po kasing DI, Your Honor, that time. And,
sino yung highest official ng PNP active here? Eto, Colonel, kasi medyo nakapagtataka. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I move that we get the assignment of Colonel Villela.
Naalala ko na, Your Honor, si General Agustin po, Your Honor. Major General Agustin, Your Honor.
Is he active until now?
Retired na po, Your Honor.
Retired. I move to invite Mr. Agustin in the next hearing. Para magkaalaman tayo.
Mr. Chair. Momsek, please take note of the be invited resource persons in our next hearing. Retired Major General Agustin. Congressman Ako.